I expect the Honorable Chief Minister to move a congratulatory motion congratulating this government on this remarkable achievement of turning our Kala Academy, जी आमगेली कलाकारा गेली एक शान आहली, of turning this into a structure or a monument of corruption. This government basically is full of nataks, and they have compromised our Madai to Karnataka. आयच्या दिसाक म्हाका दिसता कर्नाटकाच्या काँग्रेस सरकारान एक बिल कॅबिनेटान पास केला, where they have promised that 100% reservation of jobs for Kannadigas, for the people of Karnataka, in the form of category C and category D in private firms. I believe it is high time that the Chief Minister learns. आज आमच्या गोंयांत कसलेच job reservation ना. We talk about 80% reservation in the house. They have come with 100% reservation for their people. Today, with the way जे पद्धतीन आज जे सरकाराक सपोर्ट करता जे आर्ट डिफेक्टर आर क्वेश्चनिंग दिस गवर्नमेंट, this proves that apart from their self-development, no other development has taken place in their constituencies. With the way the rains are moving, and I express my sympathy towards the life lost. एक 18 वर्साचो भुरगो फातोड्डा, Kosadon wall, Kosadon, he has lost his life. This government is absolutely not sensible. Aicha Disak, you will see that several issues, starting with the question are, where we will grill this government.
युरी तुम्ही डेव्हलपमेंटाचे उलयता न्ही, तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन डेव्हलपमेंट कसो आहा जेन्ना तुम्ही ऑपोजिशनान आहा?
आमी डेव्हलपमेंटाचे जेन्ना सांगता, रिमाइंड करता. आतां हे पारोडाचे कालचे दीस, this is the third time that I have asked the Honorable Chief Minister to intervene. कोता मोठा जात कितें फकत बाबाजी कार कळ्ळो का न्हू, कांय जायना मुखार. हे सरकाराक फक्त म्हाका दिसता आश्वासनां जे दिलें, and today you will see in the budget on my reply that I will show how and what violations have been done, and definitely we expect the Honorable Chief Minister to answer rather than गोल तो पड होता आणि आमकां डायवर्ट करपाक सोदता. He doesn't. I will make sure that he answers the questions of the Gorib Janta.